Assalamu alaikum. Sunday morning with Ali. Listen, man. Huh? Them nature calls. They communicate with each other. Okay. They ain't chirping for no reason now. Huh? It's mating calls. Huh? It's calls to go out and get dinner. When a bird leave the nest, they don't come out without nothing in their mouth. See, they work from sun up to sundown every day. Unlike human beings, lazy niggers. I ain't got no job today. Well, how you expect to eat tonight there? Huh? Yeah, but these birds, man, they own it. I just want to listen for a second. Y'all be good.